Okay, so I need to share my slide. Okay, so alright, last lecture, yeah, we do this one. Okay, so this is related to the last lecture, right? Okay, last lecture I stopped until derivation 3. Okay, I update already the slide. There are unnecessary rule on the slide before this related to this page here. Okay, so now, alright, so I show you already. Wait, okay, this one, did I show this one? Oh no. Yeah, okay. This one I update already the slide. Okay, right. This one, okay. This one I show you already. How you want to show the derivation tree based on the language that you have here. Okay. So I show you how to draw derivation tree from this one here. Okay, from the language that you have here, that is A, B, B, right? Okay, so all right. From the last lecture, we read uh we read the string is from left to right. So for according to the arrow here lah, from here to here, and we ignore the epsilon, right? Okay, so now we go to example 2, all right? For example 2, these are the production rule. Okay, like I said to you, this rule can be written also as this one here. Okay, right. So sometimes we call it P, go to AB, then A go to AB, then epsilon, and comma, B go to B, C, and the epsilon. All right, then close the bracket. So all these are the rule required for this grammar. Okay, then let's say we want to derive a string from here. Okay, in this example here, we start with the S is equal to AB, right? Okay, all right. So, okay. So let me see. Like, let's say I just start from fresh here. S go to AB, right? Maybe we can come up with different string than this one here, right? You can have different than this one here. Okay. So let's say we just try S. Start with the start symbol S. S go to AB. Then let's say I want to change the A to be A. Oh, sorry, maybe I change color so that you can see the difference. Okay, maybe I change the A becomes B, then the B I have to stay like that, right? Then I go to this one here, then the A is maintained, then I can get the A here, the A becomes okay, A B according to rule that I have here. Okay, then I just put the original one before this, so it should be B and B, right? Okay, then let's say I just want to change the A become epsilon, because it's possible they have epsilon here. I can have epsilon, then followed by, oh sorry, maybe this one I show in blue color. Okay, epsilon, then followed by the original one. That is B, B, and B. Alright. Okay. Because of the epsilon is a string of zero length, so actually you can just omit the epsilon. So you can have A, B, B, and the B here. Okay. Then about the B, I can change the B to be this one here. So I can have A, B, B, and then I can have, right, I can have B, B, C, right? Then followed by the original one. The one is B here. Okay. Then maybe I just want to use epsilon. If I want to use epsilon, so A, B, B, these are the original. Then I change the B here. The B there become epsilon. Okay, right. Then I have the original one, the C followed by the B, right? Then I continue A, B, B, B. Then I can omit the epsilon. I just put C. Then let's say the B here, I want to change to epsilon. So I can just put epsilon here, right? Then finally, what I have is A, B, 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 then C. Okay, so that means these are the string that belong to this grammar here. Okay, all right. Then how I want to draw derivation tree from here. Okay, so all right. Okay, let me see. I think the derivation that I have here, okay, this one here is based on this one lah, based on this one. Okay. Okay. Normally we have to change all the value into the terminal symbol. Okay, the terminal symbol is the one with the small letter, right? So the one that non-terminal is the with the capital letter. So by right you have to change this one lah. But in this example, they don't show how you change this one. Okay, let's say I change this to be, alright. Okay. Okay, let's say I change this to be A. I take epsilon B, 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 C. Okay, then it becomes A, B, 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 C. Okay, all right. So how you want to derive the tree? Okay, so how to derive the tree? You should start with the start symbol. You see start here, you go to A and you go to B, right? And then what happened from here, the A become this one. So A, then you have B. Just follow lah, right? Then what you have now is you change the A, right? The A becomes A and B, right? According to this one lah, right? And then the next one, okay, let me see the next one. These are the same. These are the same thing. Okay, then I go to this one lah. So in this one here, you change the B. The B become this one here. Okay, so I just take the B, right? The B become B, then B, then C. Okay, then what happened here? Okay, you have, all right, so the B is changed to E, this one, the epsilon, right? So this become the epsilon, right? Then finally, okay, yes, all right. Okay, so can I read the letter now? Okay, how I read? I should read. Okay, how I read should read from left to right. So it go here, right? Then go here, here, and here. Okay, so I should read. Okay, how I capture the string? So A, then A, right? I still have capital A here, A, then the B, then the B here, then another B, then I have epsilon, then I have the C, alright? So these are the one lah. Okay, so, okay, oh, because I stop until here lah kan, right? This is the one, yeah, this is the one. Okay, sometimes we just omit, we just omit the epsilon. Okay, so you read like this. Okay, this is the one lah, the one for this one here. But if I continue the tree. Okay, let's say I continue the tree. I want to take this value here. So I change the A to be this one. So this become epsilon here. Okay, alright. So what happened? Okay, what happened? I read from here, then go here, then here. So I just put A, then A, then I have epsilon. I can just omit. Then you have B, then I have another B, I have another B, you can omit the epsilon here, then you can have the C. So these are the string that you have based on the grammar that that is given in here lah, based on this grammar here. Okay. Alright. So can you understand how to derive the derivation tree? Okay. Alright. So okay. So now we go to the next one, right? Okay. So this is another example, alright? Example of a string that we derive already. So in here we have this string here, and this string here. So for each of these, we want to show the derivation tree. Okay. Okay. So derivation tree will come out in your final. So better you understand this, right? Okay, so how you derive the string? Let's say, yeah, you get this one, but there are three methods that we use here. The first one, second, and the third one. Okay, so for the first one here, we just take the start symbol. Okay, all right, maybe this is already done for you. Okay, but I need to show from fresh lah. So I just start here. So S, you have S, right? Then you have asterisk, then you have the S. Okay, then the S here is changed to A, right? So I just put A here, right? And then okay, okay, and then I think the S here is changed to this one. So this is S, then you have plus and you have S. Okay, then I think this one here, the next one here, the S here is changes to A. So just put A here. And then the final one here, the S is changes to B. So just change this one to B, right? Okay, so these are the derivation tree. So as you see, the diagram that's shown here, these are same as the one that we do here. Okay, all right. So let's say we try to derive the tree for the second method here. Okay, So I think I just write down here. So the answer is here. Okay, these are the answer. Okay, so I start with this one here, the first line, S, and it go to S, then asterisk and the S. Okay, then I see from here the S here is changes to this one based on the rule. Okay, actually the rule is from the previous example. Okay, so I just take this one. So S become S, then plus, then S. Okay, okay, and then the next step, the S here is changes to A, so I just put A here. Then the next step, the S is changed to B, so I just change this to B. Then in the next step, the S here is changed to A, right? Change to A here. So I just take this one and change to A, right? So finally, these are my final derivation tree. Okay. So how I read from left to right here lah. Okay. So I read the A, I read the plus, I read the B, then I read this one here, then I read the A. Okay, so these are the string that we have. Okay, then the same thing with the third one. Okay, the third one, as you see, these are the first one. Okay, maybe I change color. These are the first step. So you have here, and you put here, you put here, and you put here lah. Then you see that we change what we change here lah. We change the S to A. So you just put A here. Then we change the S here to be this one here. So you just take this one lah, right? Okay, and then the next step, the S here you change to B. So this one lah. Okay, and the next step, the S here you change to A. So this is this one here. Okay, so finally, these are the three for the string here. Okay, can you understand?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, so yeah, okay, maybe all right. The digraph is not included in the final, but the digraph, we will use the digraph in the next chapter. Okay, so normally, after we generalize our, let's say this, after we generalize the form of our string. Okay, example of the generalization is, let's say. Okay, let me just see any generalization. Yeah, these are the generalization of the string. This one here. After we have the generalized form, then we can form the digraph. Okay, but I think in this chapter we will not go through detail lah. Okay, so this will not cover in the exam lah. Okay, so if you want to know, these are the graph. Okay, the it's called digraph because it have error. It's have arrow. Okay, and then it must based on the generalized formula. Okay, so you can just see that these are okay. The non-terminal become the vertex. Okay, these are the non-terminal S and the A, capital S and capital A. Then the terminal value, that is A and B, the small letter, becomes the parameter here. Okay, epsilon here, right? Okay, so I think that's all about this. Okay, we will not go through this one. So maybe I will show more example. Okay, maybe I want to ask you to do some exercise. Okay, so okay, yes. All right. Maybe I show you in. All right, I show you in the ebook. Okay, let me just find the ebook first. Where is the ebook? Okay, wait. Okay, need to find the ebook. Oh yes. All right. Okay. So all right. So based on the ebook, okay. Let's say I just share the ebook. Okay. So just take this one. Okay. Alright, so these are the ebook. Then you have to see page number. The last chapter is the final chapter. Alright, so I just go through to the final chapter. Okay, the final chapter. Alright, wait. These are chapter 9, not the final one. Okay, wait. Let me see the final chapter. Okay, the final chapter. Alright, chapter 13. It should be chapter 13. Okay, yes, chapter 13 here. Alright, I think in the chapter 13, right? Can you see the ebook?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, so to practice more about the one that we do in chapter 7 and to practice for your final exam, okay, you can see in the ebook, okay, in the ebook, you can see exercise number 4. You can try out number 4. Okay. Then you can try also number 5. Okay. Okay. Right. I think number 6 also you can try. Okay. Then derivation 3. On the derivation 3, let me see. Okay. Alright, I didn't see the 3. Okay, these are the 3. Okay, okay. Yes, these are example for derivation 3. Number 24. You can try out number 24. How to do the derivation 3 for the string that given here, for the language that given here. Okay, you can try that one. And then, okay, let me just pick one question for us to try. Let's say number 4, right? For number 4 here, okay, let me just close this one. Okay, for number 4, the question asks you, let G, okay, they define the grammar, okay, these are the grammar G. So the set, we have set V, we have set T, we have S, and also P, alright. Okay, so the P is the production rule, and the V is the vertex, okay. So you see that the V is 0, 1, and this one lah, right? Capital A and capital S. Then the alphabet T is equal to 0 and also 1. And then the production rule is this one here. All these are the production rule. Okay, right? So can you check whether this string here belong to the language generated by G? Okay, maybe I show you this one. Then, okay, how I want to show this one? Okay, wait. I need a blank space. Okay, all right. Oh, you want to try? You want to try or not? Okay, maybe I show the first one lah. I show the A and you try the B, right? Okay, so I just use my. Okay, wait. So I have to close this one. I need to copy the question. Wait. Need to copy the question first. Okay. Alright. So I copied already the question. Okay. So I just close this one because I need to go to the other. Okay. Need to go to the other blank space, right? Okay. Okay, so I need a blank space. Okay. Alright. Okay, so I need to show you how you want to do number 4 from the Rosen. Okay, so these are the questions from ebook. Chapter 13, right? Number 4. Okay, for the number 4, Alright, so okay, just copy a little bit of information here. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, need to copy. Alright, so what I have is G is equal to V, then T, S, and also P. Then you have the V is equal to 1, A, and also S. And then the T is equal to 0 and also 1. Then the P, the production rule, is equal to, let me just copy here, S go to 1S. Then, okay, sorry. Okay, then it go to 00A. Then it go to 0A. Sorry, let me just find out here. Oh, sorry, it's wrong. Okay, right. So it's comma, then A go to 0A, then also it go to 0. Okay, so these are the rule given here. Okay, then the question for A, wait Allah Akbar, wait okay. So for the A, you have to show that whether this one here, 111 000. You want to show that whether this one belong to language of this group lah. Okay, so how we want to show? We have to try to produce this string by using the rule. Okay, so let's say I start with the S. Okay, S, I got to I can have, because the start is 1, so of course I must pick this one here. So 1S, alright. Then the next one is 1, so I need to take the same thing again. I have to change this one to be another 1S, alright. Okay, then I have another one here, so I need also another one. So this one change to this one here. Okay, then I see that the next one is 0. So the next one, the S, I change to this one. So 111, the S become 00A. Okay, then yes, I have the 20 already. Then the final one, the A, I have to change to this one here. So I just take 111000. Okay, then I finally got the same as the string here. So I can say that proven. So 111000 proven to be in language for this group here. Okay, so these are the things that you should do lah. Okay, can you understand?
Yes, doctor.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so maybe you can try. Can you try the B? The B, okay. Let me just catch it. Can you try the B? I give you just a few, 5 minutes to do the B. Then show your answer to me. I just want to make sure that you understand. So the B is you have to show that. The B, alamak. The B is different. Okay. Maybe I come up with another. Okay, maybe I come up. Okay, let's say I have this one, 1100. Okay. Okay, for B, you have to show that this one does not belong to the language generated by G. Yes, but I think I need another thing. Can you show that? Wait, let me see. Okay. Okay. Alright. Maybe I want you to show that. I want you to show whether. Okay. Alright. I want you to show. Okay. Maybe I change a little bit the question. Show that whether 1100 and 0. Okay. And 00 belong to this grammar. Show this one first. Okay. Right, can you do this one? Okay, I wait for 5 minutes. Okay, you do this one and share your answer, right? Okay, anyone ready? Anyone ready to share your answer?
I can share.
Alright, so I just stop sharing here. Okay, I just stop my sharing. Yes, okay.
I will share on WhatsApp.
Oh, you share in WhatsApp. Okay. Alright. Yes, okay. Let me see. Okay, so you have this one. Okay, let me just check. Yeah. Let me just check again. Yes, so you've proven already that the string belong to the grammar lah. The string is the language in the grammar. That's how we say lah. Okay, so alright. So okay, now in order to practice on the derivation tree, can you derive the tree for the part A and also the part B? Okay, thank you, Lou. Okay, it's very good that you successfully prove. Okay, then can everyone try to derive the tree for part A and also B? I give you about 5 minutes to do this. If you're ready with the tree, maybe you can share. Then we can speed up lah. Okay. I need volunteer also. Okay. Okay, Fatima. All right. Okay. So let us check. Okay. Can you refer to the WhatsApp? Okay. So I check that. Yes. Right. Okay. Okay. Yes. Very good. Okay, Fatima. Very good. So you successfully derived the tree. So how we read is from left to right. 111. Yeah. The other one is okay. For number 2 also you done it. Yes, very good. Okay, you successfully derived the tree. Okay, I think everyone should get the same answer. Okay, if you got problem, let me know. Okay, okay. So that's all about chapter 7, right? So we will have break about 5 minutes before we start chapter 8. Okay, so 5 minutes break. So we will be back at 8:50. Right? Okay. Thank you.